Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best PC air duster, keyboards, fans, and components, boosting overall system performance, extending lifespan, and making maintenance fast, efficient, and satisfying. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. THERAGUN 230-Watt Air Duster. The THERAGUN 230-watt Air Duster stands out as a high-performance cleaning tool designed for users who demand both power and flexibility. Equipped with an X3 Ultra motor reaching speeds up to 180,000 RPM and wind velocity exceeding 58 meters per second, it delivers exceptional airflow for deep cleaning tasks. Whether you are clearing dust from PC components, drying surfaces, or inflating outdoor gear, this device adapts easily with its 4 adjustable speed settings. The cordless design, powered by a 10,000 mAh battery, ensures mobility and convenience, eliminating the need for constant power connections. Its build quality is impressive, featuring durable materials with a rubberized finish that enhances grip and comfort during extended use. Additionally, the inclusion of multiple accessories, such as a cleaning brush, storage bag, and USB Type-C cable, adds value and usability.
Number 2 is isfriday 68-volt Air Duster. The isfriday 68-volt Air Duster is a versatile and efficient solution for everyday cleaning needs across home, office, and automotive environments. With a wind speed of up to 45 meters per second and a high-speed brushless motor reaching 90,000 RPM, it provides sufficient power to remove dust, debris, and even stubborn particles from tight spaces. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle, while the metal body enhances durability and gives it a premium feel. The device is powered by 3 4,000 mAh lithium batteries, offering reliable runtime and extended usage without frequent recharging. The Type-C fast charging support ensures quick power replenishment, which is particularly useful for users on the go. Performance-wise, it maintains stable operation with low heat generation, making it suitable for prolonged tasks.
Number 3. FENNEC X64 Air Duster. The FENNEC X64 Air Duster is built for users who prioritize raw power and heavy-duty performance. Featuring a high-speed 64mm brushless motor and an 11-blade fan system, it delivers impressive thrust of up to 1,400 grams, making it suitable for both residential and commercial applications. With a working power of 1,000 watts and a robust 8,000 mAh battery, this unit is designed to handle demanding tasks such as yard cleaning, snow removal, and industrial dust clearing. Its steepless speed control allows precise adjustment, giving users full control over airflow intensity depending on the task. The dual charging options, including Type-C and DC fast charging, provide flexibility and reduced downtime. Despite its power, the device incorporates safety features such as intelligent temperature control and a power-off function to prevent accidental activation. While the battery lasts around 15 minutes at maximum speed, the performance delivered during that time is exceptionally strong.
Number 4 is the isfriday Brushless Air Duster. The isfriday Brushless Air Duster is a rugged and highly customizable option designed for users who prefer powerful, DIY-compatible tools. Constructed from a durable PETG and carbon fiber blend using 3D printing technology, it offers enhanced structural strength and longevity. This model delivers strong airflow, with wind speeds reaching up to 200 mph, making it effective for heavy-duty tasks like car cleaning, debris removal, and snow blowing. One of its standout features is compatibility with popular 18V lithium batteries from brands like Makita, Milwaukee, and DeWalt, allowing users to leverage existing battery systems. The high RPM motor produces up to 1,300 Gs of thrust, ensuring efficient cleaning performance. However, due to its power output, it is best suited for short bursts of use to prevent overheating. The one-button variable speed control adds convenience, enabling users to adjust airflow intensity easily. Overall, this model is ideal for advanced users who value power, customization, and compatibility over plug-and-play simplicity.
Number 5. WOLFBOX DF200 Air Duster. The WOLFBOX DF200 Air Duster is a well-rounded and user-friendly cleaning device that focuses on portability and consistent performance. Designed as a wireless air blower, it offers the convenience of cordless operation, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks. With its 3-speed adjustable settings, users can easily switch between light dusting and more intensive cleaning depending on their needs. The compact and ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while its lightweight construction makes it easy to carry and store. This model is particularly effective for cleaning car interiors, home electronics, and general household surfaces. While it may not match the extreme power levels of some high-end models, it provides reliable airflow that is sufficient for most everyday applications. The DF200 emphasizes ease of use, making it a great option for beginners or users who want a straightforward, hassle-free experience. Overall, it delivers solid value through its balance of functionality, portability, and simplicity. And that wraps up the top 5 best PC air duster. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.